3M Aqua-Pure. Cheap is not the word that comes to mind when you think of the 3M company. Purchasing the 3M Aqua-Pure whole house water filter will provide an affordable solution to the dilemma of water filtration. This unit brings pure, great tasting water to every faucet in your home and protects your home's pipes from sediment buildup. You'll also discover a price tag attached to this fantastic whole house water filter that can be considered relatively cheap. 3M's innovative Sanitary Quick Change design is an industry first. This application lets you quickly change out the filter cartridge without touching or compromising the filter media. And you don't need a wrench to change 3M filters either. Rigorously tested and verified in the 3M manufacturing laboratory, the filters are designed to be replaced annually after 100,000 gallons of use. The 3M Aqua-Pure measures 20.06 inches long, 4.06 inches wide by 4.06 inches high, weighs a fraction of its competitors at a mere 6 pounds, and can filter approximately 20 gallons per minute, even with a high flow rate. Warranty: limited 1 year from the date of purchase. Filter reminder sign-up option at registration. Pros: extends the life of water-using appliances. Carbon block technology reduces up to 85% chlorine taste. Easier, cleaner cartridge changeout, and no need for a filter wrench. Cons: noticeable drop in water pressure after about 1 month of use. Filter changes needed around every 1 to 2 months. Only compatible with city municipal water systems.